What's up mga bike buddies? Kamusta na? Sunday fun ride. I posted it sa old school MTV Philippines. Pero mukhang ako lang nandito. Already newbie. Took me 10 minutes. 10-minute ride. So magstay lang ako dun sa mini trail. And then we'll wait for a few minutes. Kung wala talagang tao, then I'll go na. Ikot-ikot. Alright. It's a Sunday today, so ride safe, bike buds. Grabe na pala yung damo rito. Kapal na. So tayo. Ayan. So in UP, so siguro mga 5 minutes lang, 5 to 10 minutes, ikot na ako. Mukhang ako lang today. So pala yun. So wala pa, malinis pa kahit na past 5 na. Wala pa 6 o'clock eh. So normally 6 o'clock dumadami yung mga tao. But anyway, I'm here. So of course, kagahapon, pinayos ko na yung FD natin because the last time na nag-ride ako, it was a short ride, but lumuwag yung FD. Tapos kahapon, buti na lang napansin ko, napigtal yung shifter cable ng front derailleur. So yung mismong pambara niya sa dulo naputol. So naputol siya sa sugsug sa bungan. So hila lang yun. So nakapost naman yun sa, I think sa FB account ko na post yun eh. But naputol siya. So I had to replace the cable. So yung quick na parang tune up reconditioning nagkaroon pa ng repair. But again, itong bike na to, I think this is for keeps na, no? As many of you know, I love Pro-Flex bikes. During the 90s, they're very, very sikat during the 90s. This is a 1991, although 950 siya. 950 is the giveaway. So 1991 Pro-Flex 950 off-road. It's a rigid chromo fork, but the frame is alloy. And as all of you know, I love elevated chainstay bikes. So this was one of the elevated chainstay na downhill bikes noon. So it uses elastomers pa here, and of course rigid. So this is a complete Diore XT group set with brake booster. So although magkakaiba lang yung gear, no, because this is a 734, 739 yung RD, 737 yung FD, crank. But all the gears, ano siya, Shimano Diore XT 1990s. So it's a period correct bike. Kaya, and it, of course, yung original Gervin yan nilagay ko din. Because dati ito naka-cover Vector 2, Gervin Vector 2, year 2000s na yun. So pang ano yan eh, pang mga K2. But I removed it, so I have a better project for that. So, ayun, ikot-ikot na tayo. And so I left UP na. Trying to go to Katipunan, probably Eastwood. So, diretso lang tayo in the area. So I'm currently in CP Garcia. Right lang. Tuloy lang. Bike lang.
nasa Visayas Ave na tayo. Yan. Tininin. Wala akong matambayan, umuulan. So I decided, balik na lang. Kasi baka lumakas yung ulan. Hindi tayo makalarga biyahe. Alright, see you.